Writing compelling press releases is a skill that you can use to promote your business, products, and services. Press releases are similar to articles, but include noteworthy information and generally include quotes from a person who is relevant to the report. After creating a quality press release, you can send it to online and offline sources, usually for free. There are many online press release sites, such as Free Press Release, Blog, for WebDirect, iNewsWire, and the list goes on. Writing valid press releases means following a clear format and using the appropriate content. In general, you should include a header for offline sources, which includes your name and contact information. For online sources, just fill in the necessary information, and the website will generate your header. The title of your press release must be in all capital letters and, if possible, include a subtitle that capitalizes the first letter of each word. Make sure that the body of the press release, 350-450 words, contains several paragraphs, and not all are grouped. And finally, you'll have a closing line that invites readers to contact you for more information. The headline is the most crucial part of the entire press release. It should be attractive, but not promotional. The editor who reads your press release is looking for a good story that will impress his readers, not all of the benefits that his product or service offers. A good title could be "Discover how Internet Marketing is Creating More Jobs for Unemployed People," for example. A subtitle for this could be, "Former Executives Excited with Their Newfound Income Possibilities." The rest of the press release should be used to back up what you have stated in the title and subtitle. You will also want to use some quotes here, which will increase the credibility of the press release. A good general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 4 short paragraphs. Use the last section to do a mild type of promotion. Here you can describe what you and your company offer to the public. Finally, you'll invite readers to contact you for more information. Include your name, email address, and even your phone number, if appropriate. General tips to remember are: avoid sales, exaggerations or overly promotional words and phrases, such as revolutionary, exclusive, elite, etc. Always use the third person. Never use the words me or we unless you are quoting someone else. Keep it short and to the point, and see other good examples of press releases for extra guidance. It may take a few tries to begin to understand the problem, but before you know it, if you follow these basic guidelines, you will be writing precise press releases without even thinking about it.